Y'all like my vocals? So listen, I decided that I'm gonna just do stuff out here, and I be having ideas in my head about things to make. You know what I'm saying? And people do ask me, what do I eat? And yeah, and also I'm not really good at making wraps. You know what I mean? Like I be wanting to. So we're gonna practice that today. So we're making a veggie wrap for the people who want to be like extra, like clean eating, or if you're vegan, or, or you want to be vegan for a part of your day. And then I also am going to make one with shrimp in it for the people who say, hey, I want some protein and I don't really eat chicken and beef and all that other stuff, but you do have seafood. You know what I'm saying? That's me. I also have a snack because I'm not sure if y'all like me, but what happens is when I decide to cook me something or make me something, I'm hungry, right? Duh, because that's what happens when you get hungry. You go, I'm going to make me something to eat. So, I don't know. I be OD hungry and I be needing a snack. So, I got these avocado cucumber rolls. I know that y'all hear me struggling to open, right? Can y'all see them? I'm not sure if you can see them. I might zoom up for you. Can you see them? Yeah, these are good. So this is a snack. This is an appetizer while we prepare what we're about to, you know what I'm saying? I'm putting some, what is this, Korean barbecue sauce on it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Outside with some pretty bitches that don't know how to act. We be acting bad off liquor. All we do is
Yeah,
throw it
that's
back.
that. Okay. Let's stay focused. Okay. Um, yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna have to put y'all here for a second, cause duh, I'm gonna need my hands. I should turn it this way, right? Like that. So that y'all can still hear me loud and clear. Cause class is in session. Mm-hmm. Mm, okay. Um, Let me show you the stuff we have. So I peeled some carrots. These are scallions, green onion. I put them here for people who might not know exactly what this is, because one time somebody came into my kitchen and they picked this up and they was like, "Oh, this is asparagus," and I'm just like, "Asparagus? No, it's green onion, my boy." Um, and I cut that up. Not sure if you see a close up. I'll get some B-rolls for y'all maybe. We ain't here to do all that. We trying to make this quick and easy. Um, and I also sliced. Don't mind me chewing and talking to y'all, but I also sliced some. I could put this to the side. Some green bell peppers and red bell peppers. And I was lazy, and that's okay because that's why we doing this, because this is like a lazy quick meal. I got some Roman leaves. They told me to get it's best to get like Roman letters, but I got me some Roman leaves. I don't see what the difference is, but okay. And I wanted to be fancy, so I got some spinach wraps instead of like the regular tortilla wraps, you know? Yeah. And we got some roasted garlic hummus. And I got some extra sauce. It's like a aioli. I get it from Trader Joe's because I'm a saucy kind of girl, just in case I want a little extra sauce. And I have some shrimp here. Okay. So those are the ingredients and all of that good stuff. And yeah, let's build this wrap. I'm gonna bring y'all in POV because I feel like y'all too far away. Y'all can't really see what's going on over here. So come on. Come on. Don't be shy. All right. So one large tortilla and your hummus. Okay. You're gonna do right. We're learning to measure. So you want to take about, this is about a tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon, and you're gonna spread it around. All right, let's spread it around. My bad, y'all. My bad. Okay, right. I brought an avocado to the party. Okay, back to stay focused. So you're gonna take about one. I'm gonna break these up because so let's say this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. So you're gonna do about 3 to 4 romaine lettuce, right? And then we're gonna take some carrots. Yeah, I did my carrots like this because, so I took a small carrot, like a small size carrot, and I just used like a potato peeler, and this is what I got. Okay, so I mean, if you want to put more, you can. And then we're gonna put some green onion, which is this. Remember? Do you remember how we okay fell in love? We were young and innocent things. So you're gonna take the green bell peppers, okay, and put them like this. Okay, right. And then you're gonna take some red, the red ones. You see them? And put them here like that. Right. Okay. Now I want to add some avocado for good fat because you know what I mean. You want to keep some good fat on you. Slap that at. Okay. Look, focus. Focus. Right. Look how pretty. Y'all love avocado. How we want to do this? Do I want to like scoop it out and like, you know what I mean? Smear it on there? Or do we want to like slice it and be fancy? I think I'm going to let my intrusive thoughts kick in and I'm going to just scoop it out of there. And, we still got a little bit of hummus. Oh, gosh. Look at it. Okay. Oh, that was, that was a bit much. Okay. Stop, Kashima. Okay, let's put this here because we're going to make 2 different wraps. Okay. Now, I'll be honest, I never added avocado to this little wrap that I do, but we doing it today. Okay. Ooh. And let me put this right here. And I want to put a little sauce, a tangy sauce of secret proportions. Okay. Right. Okay. I think that's good. I think that's good. Now, this is the complicated part because I'll be like, how do you really do a tortilla? Is it this way? All right, we're going to figure it out. Hold on, y'all, because I want to do this right. Hold on, hold on. Okay, I'm back. All right, so listen, we going to try to make this work, y'all, because you know what I mean? Cause I ain't gonna hold you. I'll be like, what? Like, how do you do this? Who knows how to do this? Like, who, like, what? Hold on. Is it like this way? I feel like it's like this way. Okay. I think I'm on to something. I think so. Listen, y'all. We're learning. We are learning. All right. I think this is pretty good, right? Or maybe I put too much product in there. I don't know. Listen, this is a judgment free zone. I'm doing stuff like this so y'all could see that. Listen, wait, let me take this avocado. I'm gonna put this on. Mm-hmm. But like I was saying, I'm doing this to show y'all that. Okay, well, it's a little messy, but listen, we did our best. Put it to the side. This is the vegetarian one. All right, so it's messy, but this is the vegetarian one. So we gonna put it over here. This okay, so this one I'm not gonna stuff, bro. What is going on? Okay, so this one I'm not gonna stuff. I'm gonna just do a little bit. I'm not gonna wild out. I think that was the problem. I think I put too much product. What is this? A piece of avocado, bro? What are we doing? Okay, so we gonna put this like this in the middle, right? We gonna put a little avocado. I'm still eating that other one, but you know, put a little avocado. Mush that down like that, right? This is so messy, y'all. I love it. Okay. We gonna put just one. All right, so I just put one lettuce, a little bit of carrots, right? A little bit of scallion, a little bit of red and green peppers, right? Just a little. We going, you know what I mean? And then we gonna put our shrimps. I should have took these what you call this off first, but I didn't. Okay, like that. Right, cause right, y'all hear the New York City streets behind me. Okay, one more shrimp, one more shrimp for good luck, and then a little bit of our sauce. I feel like this one gonna hit. This one gonna come out. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh. So it's like this, right? Like that, and then like turn it this way, right? Like this. Oh, come on. I feel like maybe the tortilla was supposed to be warm. Maybe that's what it is. And then we could like roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Like a blunt. Okay. That's what it was, y'all. That's what it was. It was because this one was too stuffed. So y'all see how the shrimp one came out? Isn't it cute? Look at it. Oh, Kachima. Okay, let's cut it. It's messy, but ooh, y'all better not judge me either. If y'all did, I really don't care. Okay. Put a little sauce. You know what I'm saying? All right. Y'all want to bite? Don't judge how I did the first one either. All right, y'all. Let's try it. Don't be judging me either. Hold on. Okay. Let's cut the veggie one because that's the one we did first. You know, sometimes two's a charm. Like, you know, you got to do it. Um, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you gotta just do trial and error. So this is the veggie one. It wasn't too bad. It's messy, but listen, that's what we do in the kitchen. All right, so we gonna try them. Hold on. All right, look at us. Now do the veggie dance. Do the veggie dance. Do the veggie dance. Do the veggie dance. Yum, yum. Eat them up now. Do the veggie dance. Do the veggie. All right. So I showed y'all it was a little bit messy, but we did it. We did it. We did it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I like it. Oh, this is a veggie mom. It's good. This is a shrimp one. Let's taste this one. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Um, I'm gonna leave the ingredients and the, you know what I'm saying, directions in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. My juice of veggies. You see how we're green? Mm-hmm. Y'all see how we're green? Because, anyway, thanks y'all for watching. I'm going to just keep coming with these. So, this is what I would eat. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't want to make a mess. Well, more of a mess. Oh. I'll see y'all later. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up.